Wait, ano ba muna yung proper at proper? Check mo nga muna.
Proper at saka yung proper. Ayun.
Okay, alam ko na magkabaliktad. Sorry. So now we're going to add similar fraction. For our example number 1 is 3/5 plus 1/5. So we will write it as 3 and 3 plus 1 as our numerator and the denominator is 5. So 3 plus 1 equals 4, then copy the denominator 5. So the final answer is 4/5.
Pag madali.
So we're going to subtract proper fraction now.
Similar. Ulit.
So now we're going to subtract similar fraction. For our example here, 7/9 minus 3/9. So we will write it 7 minus 3 as the numerator and 9 as our denominator. So 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Then copy the denominator 9 equals to 4/9.
Huwag ka magmadali. The next example is...
So now for the next example, we're going to have improper fraction.
Dissimilar fraction.
Ha?
Dissimilar fraction.
Ay, sorry, nalilito ako.
Basta
Hoy!
similar tsaka basta, ay, walang ganun. Basta similar tsaka dissimilar ng problema.
So now we're going to subtract, add yan. So now we're going to add the similar fraction. For our example is 3/5 plus 7/10.
3/5.
Oh, 3/5 plus 7/10. So first we're going to find the least common denominator of 5 and 10, which is 10. So 10 divided by 5 equals to 2, then multiply it by 3 equals 6. Then 10 divided by 10 equals 1, multiply by 7, 7. So 6 plus 7 equals to 13 tenths. Because it is a mixed number, improper fraction, we're going to divide it. So 13 divided by 10 equals to 1 and 3 tenths. Tama? Yay! So now we're going to teach you changing improper fraction to mixed fraction. So first, our example here is 9/4. It is an improper fraction. So it will become 9 divided by 4 is equals to 2. Then 2 times 4 equals 8. Then 9 minus 1
9
is
minus 8.
9 minus 8 equals to 1.
Huwag ka magmadali. Huwag kang magmadali. Tingnan mo.
So the answer will be 2 and 1/4. Now we're going to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. So our example is 2 and 1/4. So it will be written 4 times 2 plus 1. So 4 times 2 equals to 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Then copy the denominator 4, so 9. 9/4.
So the answer is...
So the answer is 9/4. Now we're going to multiply fraction. So just like normal multiplication, we're going to multiply numerator to numerator, then denominator. So our example is 1/5 and 3/4.
1/5 multiplied by 3.
1/5 multiplied by 3/4. So 1 times 3 equals 3, then 5 times 4 equals 20. So our final answer is 320.
3 over 20.
3 over 20. Now we're going to divide fraction. On dividing fraction, we have our example here, which is 1/5 divided by 3/4. So 1/5, we will reciprocal the 3/4, will become 4/3, then change the division to multiplication. So 1/5 multiplied by 4/3 is equals to 4/15. So 4/15 is our final answer. So we're going to have a real life situation here, which is me and my pizza. Yeah. Yeah. So, as we...
Hindi. Ano, di ba?
Ano?
Sabihin mo lang, ito yung ano niya. Ito yung, so today we will do the, so this is the example of
real life situation.
real life situation. Tapos papakita ko yung video mo, tapos ito na yung PT.
Okay.
Okay na?
Yeah!
Start na tayong record.
Oh yeah.
Mata ko.
Bakit? Mag-eye drop ka.
Meron ako dyan sa bag.
Ayan na. Saan dito ma?
Nandiyan sa maliit na bulsa.
Palikit na gusto.
Yan, meron dyan eye drop. O kaya maghilamos ka doon.
Ito.
Yung maliit lang dyan sa ilalim. Yeah. No, white flower yan. Pwede. Lalong hindi makakita yan. Kakalat yung gamit ko. Yung maliit na eye drop.
Wala kang eye drop ma?
Meron.
Wala nga.
Meron nga dyan sa ilalim. Ano ba yan? Kadiri ka.
Wala ka. Wala kang idea.
Maghilamos ka doon, anak.
Lamas ka muna, Bon. Lamas ka muna, Bon.
Okay.
Ito. So, one last run. Ano muna? Isa ko practice. Sorry yan.
Practice ko nga ang sarili mo.
Today, okay, bye-bye. Sorry. Lamas muna. Today we'll be discussing fraction. So, what is fraction? Well, fraction represents a part of a whole or, more generally, any number of equal parts. When spoken in everyday English, a fraction describes how many parts of a certain size there are. We have three types of fraction. The proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Okay? So, proper fraction, the numerator has the lowest value than denominator. While improper fraction, the denominator has the lowest value than the numerator. And mixed fraction contains a whole number and a fraction. Similar fraction and dissimilar fraction. Similar fraction have the same denominators, while dissimilar fraction have different denominators. So, we're going to add similar fractions. Tama na, similar yun, no? So, our example is 3, 5 plus 1 fifth. So, we're going to write 3 plus 1 as our numerator and copy 5 as our denominator. So, 3 plus 1 equals to 4, then copy denominator 5. So, the final answer is 4, 5.
So, yan guys, yung dalawa kong bunso. Isang babae at isang lalaki. So, nagpa-practice sila.
So,
Nagpa-practice
now we're
sila.
going to subtract
Yan.
similar fractions.
Ina-assist yan ng kanyang
So, our
ate.
example is 7, 9,
So,
and
yan.
3, 9.
Tinutulungan siya ng
7
kanyang
minus
ate
9,
sa
7
kanyang
minus 3 is our
pagre-record.
numerator, and
So,
then
yan
copy 9
madalas
as
niyang
our
katulong sa
denominator.
pinaggagawa ng
So, 7
kanyang mga
minus 3 equals to
projects.
4, then copy
So,
9.
ganyan
So, our
ka-supportive
final
ng
answer
kanyang
is 4,
ate.
9. Now, we're going to add the similar fraction.
So, yan.
For our example,
So, parehas
is 3
mga
fifths
ano
plus
yan,
7
mga
tenths.
batang
So, first, we're going to find the
masisipag
LCD for our
mag-aral yan.
denominator, which is 10.
So,
So,
yan,
10
suportahan
divided by
silang
5
dalawa
equals to
lagi.
3,
Makikita ko
equals
yan
to
lagi
2,
dito
then
sa kwarto
multiply it by
nilang
3,
mga
then
bata.
6.
Ayan, nagtutulungan sila sa kanilang mga
Then 10
projects.
divided by 10
Ayan.
equals to 1, then multiply by 7
So, ayan
equals to
guys.
7.
So, I hope guys yung mga ibang mga magkakapatid, sana ganyan din sila. So, ayan, yung may tulungan.
Yo! Future
Yeah.
Wapo! Mayor Nero.
Yan, yan si Kuya Joaquin
Since it
ay
is an
grade
improper
6.
fraction,
Yan naman si Ate Ces, yan ay grade 11 sa Calamba Science. Yan siya.
So, 13
She's
divided by 10 equals to
only
1.
15 years
Then
old.
1 times 2, 10 equals to 10.
Instead
Then 13 minus 10
15
equals to
years
3.
old na
Then
11.
1. So,
Grade
the final
11.
answer is 1 and 3
So,
tenths.
ayan, ganyan siya masipag kasi siya batang
Now we're going
mag-aaral.
to change improper fraction to mixed fraction. So, we have our example here,
So, yan
which
guys.
is 9
So, that's
fourths.
it for now. At least
So,
nakita
9
nyo kung
divided by 4
paano ang
equals to
magtulungan,
2.
magsuportahan yung
Then
mga
2 times 4
magkakapatid
equals
na
to
yan.
8.
So,
Then,
yan.
9 minus 8 equals to 1. Which is
Yan,
our
may
final
kasamang
answer
laro.
is 2 and
Seryoso.
1
May
fourths.
kasamang laro. Ayan,
Now
guys.
we're going to change
So,
mixed
see you guys.
fraction
Thank
to
you for
improper
watching.
fraction. Denominators. So the least common denominator of 5 and 10 is 10. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2, multiply by 3 equals 6. Then 10 divided by 10 equals 1, multiplied by 7 equals 7. So 6 plus 7 equals to 13 10. Or, because it's a mixed number, we will divide it.
Improper.
Because it is an improper fraction, we will divide it. So 13 divided by 10 equals to 1 and 3 tenths.
Ulitin natin sa